Hey everybody, this is Rich Noto, Florida licensed Realtor, Florida licensed home inspector in Noto Republic. So right now I'm over in Avalon Park, and this is DR Horton. This is the Jemison 1,614 square feet. Let's go inside and have a look. Okay, so when you first walk in, you have a closet and two-car garage. A small two-car garage, but it's a two-car garage. Let's take a right and see what we see. Okay, so here's a full bathroom. You got your toilet, your shower, your tub, your sink, all that great stuff. To the right I hear the AC. To the left is a closet. Got a bedroom with a closet, as every bedroom should have. Kind of standing off in the corner. So what's kind of nice about that already is that, you know, there's a bedroom down there, so if somebody needs a little bit more privacy or to be a little bit more quiet, that's kind of good. Here's your kitchen. Decent amount of cabinets for a home this size. So it looks like this bedroom or flex room. They have this as a flex room now, the way it's set up. It has a closet, so that makes it a bedroom. Really the only difference between a flex room and a bedroom is that the flex room doesn't have a closet. So this one's right next to the kitchen. Oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's some big pantry. Oh, and I wasn't expecting it in a home that's 1,600 square feet. There's your covered patio. That's a decent size as well. Master bedroom. Master bathroom towel closet. Toilet in the closet. And over here is the master bedroom closet. So got some nice options the way this house is set up as far as the room placement goes. I do like it. And I think that this would be a fantastic house for probably, you know, 1 to 3 people, maybe 4 or so. Especially if this room doesn't have to be used as a bedroom just because it's so close to the kitchen. Unless if somebody wakes up like really early in the morning and they have to use the kitchen, that might be nice. Whereas when everybody else is sleeping, they're kind of far away because this bedroom is over here and the master bedroom we just saw. So stay tuned for a quick little video at the end that kind of explains how I help you in the process. Thank you for watching. Check out my website at richnotohomes.com. Have a great day. Now, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm No Pressure Sales. And I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer. I do not work for any home builders or represent them. They always work for the builder. And what I mean by they is these salespeople, these sales teams that work at the builders. Now, when you contact me first before heading over to the builder, you won't void your free representation, okay? Now the home builders everywhere do pay for it, but many of them have certain rules and regulations where your realtor needs to be the one to enter the office with you, or even sometimes if you email or call builders, that can void your free realtor representation. Now, one of the great things about calling me first as well is that I like to work with the sales associates that are the best at the builders, the ones that have really good knowledge of the place and also are very low pressure, nice to work with. That's super important. The other thing in the process is, your money. You always want to keep your money safe. Many times home buyers call me after the fact. They contact me when it's too late. They're in a contract and they have problems, and now they're trying to get help from me. And many times they've seen my videos, which they openly tell me, they've seen my videos and then they end up telling me, you know what, you were 100% correct. I wish I contacted you. Now I'm in this situation. So contact me first. Let's have a nice process of finding you a home, a safe process where, your money, everything that you do with your money, when you put it down, everything's done correctly. And then after you're in contract, let's make sure that your home is also assembled correctly. A home that isn't assembled correctly and is built poorly, that's not something that you want. So for me, for my home buyers, those are my concerns. I want you to have a nice experience in the beginning. I want you to have the best sales associates where possible. I want you to have a nice process going into the contract. Everything is done safe. And then after that is the home building process. So there's going to be several things along the way that I'm going to do to help you in that. So, don't miss out on it. For you don't pay for the service. You're not going to miss out on any incentives or lose them because you use my service at a builder. The only thing that you will do is you'll miss out on everything that I offer you in the process, because home builders do not reduce the price of a home because you pass on using a realtor. It just doesn't work that way. And many times you end up with the best deals because I'm there with you and I'm able to ask the right questions, okay? Asking the right questions and knowing what to say and how the deals work is super important. So don't be shy. Give me a call, email, or text. Thank you.